Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to use screen time on iPhone. Manage your device usage. If you decide you want to explore this further, either for yourself or for a chill, it's simple to navigate the screen time menu. In this video, we'll explore its section and what you can do within it. Go to Settings and click Screen Time. There, you'll see your daily average and how it compares to the previous week with data updated in real time. Then select Downtime. Here is where you can turn downtime on or off, or even set in on a schedule. With Downtime activated, only apps you allow, along with phone calls, will be available. Next, go to App Limits and select Add Limit, and set a daily time limit for apps by category like social games, entertainment, and others. To ensure that a sneaky teenager doesn't simply turn screen time off when you aren't looking, you can set a screen time passcode that must be input to turn the feature on and off. For those on a family sharing plan, you can also set screen time restriction across all devices or just for individual ones. If you enable share across devices in the screen time settings menu, you'll also see a combined screen time report for everyone in the household. And that's all. I hope this video helped you guys. For more videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. See you again.